Okay, so we're going to go ahead and solve for molarity. First question asks, what is the molarity of a solution that contains 3 moles in 2 liters? So if we look at our equation for molarity, we have on the back, molarity is molarity is moles divided by volume, or moles divided by liters. If we use this equation triangle, we can cross out what we're solving for. So if we're solving for molarity M, it's going to be N divided by V. So molarity is N divided by V. So we have our N is 3 moles. We have our V of 2 liters. So our capital M molarity is going to be 3 moles divided by 2 liters. So this gives us 1.5 moles per liter. All right, for the next one here, we're going to be looking at, again, molarity, but here they're giving us grams and liters. So we need to first convert to moles. So we're going to take the 45 grams of NaCl. I'm going to change this into moles. So if we look at our mole map, going from grams to moles, following this way, 1 mole on top, and then our mass on the bottom. So 1 mole on top, and then we have 58.44 grams for the molar mass. We add up Na and Cl. It's 22.99, 35.45. Add the two together, and we get 58.44. Okay. So from there, we're going to get our total for moles. So we have 45 divided by 58.44. And we'll end up getting 0.77 moles. So this is N. So we have N equals 0.77 moles. We have the volume of 2 liters. Again, we just solved molarity is going to be our 0.77 moles over 2 liters. So you just take this number and we can divide it by 2. So we get, we'll do actually 0.77 divided by 2. We get 0.385, so 0.39 when we round it, moles over liter. All right, last problem, we're going to skip molality. Here we want to solve for volume. So if we look back at our equation, if we're solving for volume, we cover V, it's N over molarity. So volume equals moles over molarity. So to solve for this, moles molarity, we're given N equals 4 moles. We're given capital M is a molarity of 4 molar. So here we see molar or moles per liter. This is, we read as molar, like the teeth. All right, so here we have our equation. We're going to use V is N over M. So V equals our N, 4 moles over 4 molar, and we get a volume of 1 liter. All right, and then our last equation we can say is if we were finding a number of moles, N is going to be molarity times volume. So that's the last of the 3 equations.